Hi, I'm Bob Schmidt with Sakrete. Today we're on a driveway that has developed such a large crack that the slab has actually broken. One part of this slab has dropped down, as you'll see from my measurement here, almost an inch, creating quite a tripping hazard. In order to fix this, we're going to take Sakrete Top and Bond, we're going to mix it, we're going to fill this crack, then we're going to level between both sides of this slab, creating a safe transition from one part of the slab to the other. We're going to begin by taking a garden hose with a nozzle. We're going to squirt out this crack, blowing out all the debris that's in there. After that, we'll mix the Top and Bond, and then we'll get to work. I'm taking the material, putting it in the hole, and pushing down with pressure to try to shove as much Top and Bond as I can down into the crack. Now that we have Top and Bond forced down into the crack, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just tidy this up a little bit, pulling back all this excess material. And because we have this difference of 1 inch here, I'm going to want to pull this Top and Bond back probably this far. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to take masking tape and I'm going to form a border on either side of this, and it makes it much neater and much easier to keep a straight line on either side of this crack. The next thing I'm going to do is now begin to fill this whole area between the masking tape. I've used my margin trowel just to place the material. I'm going to switch to a finishing trowel, which makes it a whole lot easier. I'm going to go ahead and pull this tape up now. Just gives me a little bit of an edge to shoot for as I'm troweling this. Now that I have the material in place, I'm just going to go along here and just sort of level it out a little bit, transition it down to the existing concrete. And I'm going to take one last swipe across here and level it out. Okay, we just want to take our brush, put a brush type finish on. Makes it considerably safer, less likely that someone will slip and fall when it's wet. And here we have filled our crack. We've made our transition from the lower slab to the upper slab somewhat safer so that we've eliminated this tripping hazard.